Riverfront PR is a student-run public relations agency. What that means is it operates just like any other public relations agency, which takes in clients, then asks the clients what kind of goals they want to achieve through communication, and then translates those into strategies and tactics. So it's really like being a professional without getting paid. But the bonus part of it is that you get experience, and experience is what employers want to see on those resumes. So how do you get experience running a campaign without being in an agency that pays you? Well, this is your opportunity to get that kind of experience, get the real world contacts, have people who can be references for you later on and talk about how well you can work in a setting where you get to work with other students, have some fun, try some different kinds of things. So that's the real benefit of it. No paychecks, but lots of experience.
We reach out, or we help those that are reaching out to us achieve what they're wanting through goals and strategies. We sit through meetings once a week that help students learn more about what they're learning in the classrooms and what they need to know outside the classroom, as well as like other experiences and like other fields of study they may not be particularly in right now. Like this past year, I helped produce a video promotion for Dr. Vargas, and I never would have known how to do that if there wasn't somebody else in the club who knew videography and could teach me about it.
So you could be working on design, you could be working on web, social media is something clients want quite a bit of help with. We take in all kinds of skills. So you can be a good writer, you can be a good designer, you can be a good video person. We would really like to have some more of those. Or you can be a good strategizer. Or, you know, a lot of our events or a lot of our activities have to do with events. So event planning can come in there. It's the whole range of skills you can get in the mass media major. You can put into play at Riverfront and get some real experience with. We meet once a week as a group, kind of talk about where the different clients are, talk about whether we want to take on more clients, and then we usually do some activities that help students get ready for the professional world. So we'll do role playing, we'll talk about different kinds of things that maybe we can't fit into the classes, specialized topics the students are interested in, and we try to have as much fun as possible, do activities, that kinds of thing.
Since I joined Riverfront PR, I can confidently say I've led a campaign in the sense that I helped the United Way's Over the Edge event take place here on CMO's campus. With their event, I was able to write newsletters to other local businesses here in town, as well as produce content to post on their social media that involved a hashtag and a challenge to get one person to go over the edge or send money for somebody else to go over the edge. With that event, I also wrote the script for Dr. Vargas, and he did it perfectly, so it was a lot of fun.
All you have to do basically is show up. We'll take anybody who's interested, you know, come by for a meeting. We will make sure we make it public what times we're going to meet. We try to make it work for as many students as possible. And you come and say, hey, I'm interested in doing whatever you're interested in doing, and we'll see if we can find a place for you in the organization.
It is a newer club here on campus, and so the ideas and the creativity is constantly changing. And so I think it'd be really great to get newer as well as older mass comm students, or even not mass comm students, to help like us evolve with the community. Students of mass comm, we really want you to join our event because it is a lot of fun. You do learn a lot about other areas in your study. Public relations covers everything, I feel like, in this building, so it'd be a lot of fun to have you there, and you could teach us as well as we could teach you.